Thank you so much for visiting SPS here in Atlanta. What is your first impression of the show?
Well, I'm grateful for the opportunity to come here. This is a great opportunity because if you look what's happening in America and specifically Georgia,
Yes.
we're really expanding advanced cutting edge technology, manufacturing. And so these companies here are on the cutting edge. In fact, Southwire is here in Georgia, homegrown industry. And then Tractian has been around for 6 years in the downtown, the Tech Square area. And now they have 525 employees. But you all see all these companies, worldwide leaders in what they do, but it's making companies more efficient with automation, AI, and quantum computing all coming together so businesses can have greater efficiency, greater employee safety in so many different industries. And you recognizing that Georgia is on the cutting edge of leading this manufacturing revolution of advanced cutting edge technology, it's really exciting. This really highlights and really connects people, connects companies so they can be more efficient and also open up shop here in Georgia. Greatly appreciated.
So the very first time that we have the SPS here in the United States. We have a lot of German companies here. Is this an indication about that German companies still invest in the United States? How important is the United States for German companies still?
I think the United States are definitely very important for German companies. So a lot of German companies are present here, but there's also big interest in still coming here because it's just a big market. And this hasn't changed, and this probably won't change. And of course, manufacturing wants to be close to its customers. And here, when you have these automation solutions, this is very important really to get all these manufacturing businesses more efficient and just keeping them, preparing them for the future.
Right. I mean, we hear a lot about onshoring. Mm-hmm. So, and we just heard from the Secretary of State that they're basically trying to get a lot of manufacturing back in the United States. Now we are here in the South. How big do you think is the South of, especially Georgia, for onshoring?
Well, for the past years, we can really see that a lot of companies have moved, especially also to the south of the United States, to the southeast, to Georgia, to neighboring states. And this is true not only for American companies, and American companies also moved, for example, their headquarters or manufacturing here, but also true for German companies. Right. So there has been a lot of interest and we're looking forward, and it's very interesting to see what will happen in the coming years.